I've owned this car for 8 years, and this will be my second time getting it restored. Well, here we go. Time to strip the fucking Ae86 sunshines. That's exactly what the plan is. I think what I'll do is I'll buy my kid cat and maybe an Asahi later. And I just wanted to do like around 14-hour shift here.
I work well with Asahi.
No bother, nice one.
I'm not sure if this is slave labour or father son bonding, but it's one of
It's not slave labour.
it's one of them.
Well, maybe a little bit of slave labour. When we got out there, Simon was already after taking off the bonnet, the bumper, and yeah, he took off the tailgate as well. So I think Seamus was going mad that he couldn't bring the car for a rip up the road before we took it apart. The engine man's going to hit on this side. You were not ready for it, did I? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
One sec. That's wrong.
How's your way?
Oh, fuck.
Seamus was saying earlier that there's no need for a lot of this wiring, so we might be able to pare this down a bit. Hopefully we can. I don't think I'll be stripping this engine because it never gave a bother. When we peeled off the fiberglass arches, all this shit was underneath, so yeah, she's definitely well overdue. I'm sure Simon's gonna work his magic here, as usual. I got these a few months ago. I was supposed to do a review on them, and they've just been sitting in the car. So let's test them out today. Looks like really good quality anyway. It's the charger case. Yeah, I'll test them out. That plugs into your phone. They were something like 17 quid on TikTok. So yeah, let's test them out.
In a quarter of a mile, use the right lane to take the slip road to M11.
Right. Let's test this microphone. Yeah, so my son Seamus has gone back.
Slip road to M11, then merge onto M11.
We didn't record much because yeah, we just fucking lashed into that car. We just wanted to get as much done in the couple of days as we could, and we've never worked together, but we seem to get on really well. We worked really good together, and yeah, enjoyed it. It's a good experience. Two of us were dying sick. That's the only thing. Seamus was in a bad way when he got off that jet. But fair play to him. He soldiered through, and we got the job done. As you saw, we took out the engine, box, subframe, suspension, axle, fucking everything. The only thing that was left was the wiring loom and the glass pack, and that's coming out next. So yeah, I just want to say that I really enjoyed working with my son, and we made a few memories there. And I look forward to seeing him again when he's going to show me how to put all that shit back together. Yeah, and we're testing out this microphone as well. So, yeah, this microphone, I got it on TikTok for something like 17 quid. So if you're starting out on TikTok, or you're doing podcasts or whatever, and you want to get something cheap, and it seems like really good quality as well, yeah, you can't go wrong with this. So check it out. Should be a link below or down there somewhere.